Hello and welcome to another Show My Homework tutorial, and this time we're going to look at spelling tests. Now this is a quite easy to set up type of homework. We can just go to set homework. We have our 5 types of homework here that we looked at, assignment already, so we're just going to click on spelling test. We're going to give it a name, so we're going to look at a spelling test for capital cities. You can put a description here. Can you spell the names of these capital cities? We've got subject there. We can set it for a class. Let's pick a random class. Put a date due. You can change the language as well. So we've got support for modern foreign languages here. I'm just going to include British English. And we can add different trays, different levels of difficulty. I'm just going to call this one, just by clicking on it, I can call it the all tray. I'm going to do a most. I'm going to do a sum to give some level of differentiation here. So I'm going to click on the all tray there, and I'm going to type in a word. Now this system works by just automatically looking up how to say the word in a database. So if I click on the play button to check that it's going to say it correctly, which it should do.
London.
There we go. So I can add in some context. I can put capital city of the United Kingdom. And here I could use the word in a sentence. You can do different things here. I can add in another word here. Let's add another one. Paris. Yep, that says that okay. Let's try and add some more challenge. Let's add Washington. Okay, that's for our most task, and let's say a really obscure one for the sum task. Let's go for the capital of Denmark. There we go, said that one correctly. And again, I could type in capital city of Denmark. So I could save that as a draft, or I could publish that straight away. I'm just going to go ahead and publish it. Now when you publish it, it will say preparing test, because it takes a little while for the test to get ready. And there it is. So now we can go ahead and practice it. And this is what the students will see. It says the word, so I can play it again.
London.
I can get some help here. Definition, capital city of United Kingdom. I can type my answer. And I get a nice sound saying I'm correct. Let's carry on.
Paris.
Let's spell this one wrong. I've lost a life. Let's spell it wrong again. And this time it's actually giving me a hint because I've only got one life left. So let's take the hint.
Washington.
And I get 3 lives back for each spelling I get.
Copenhagen.
So if I get this one wrong, which is difficult because it's actually suggesting how I spell it. Let's get it wrong again. And let's get it wrong completely in the last one. There we go. And that one's wrong, so it would go on to the next one. It shows me how many I've got. 75%, 3 out of 4. So it doesn't actually tell you though, unfortunately, which ones you've got wrong. So if you want to actually go ahead and what it looks like for a student, the students have to actually be logged on to use spelling tests. So if I do go back Now it's set. If I do go back to the show my homework page, if I go back to the school website, search here by my name, got it here. It's asking me to sign in to start the spelling test. So I've signed in automatically, but the students wouldn't be able to complete the spelling test unless they've signed in. Then once they've signed in as a teacher, you will be able to see their results in detail and see which words they've got right and which words they've got wrong. And that's the end of that little tutorial on showing you how to use spelling tests.